Let's check out all the available colors of the mFish 240 watt 4-in-1 charging cable. So as you can see, we got 6 right here. They each come in a hard shell case that can be closed with a zipper. And let's just take a quick look at all the available colors. So you got this nice green with silver. You also have this black with silver. How about this one? This is pink with a kind of like a rose gold or something. Very, very nice. And this one right here, it's a gray with silver. This one comes in a very different case, or color actually. And this is kind of like a white with also silver accents. And a very nice red one with a gold accent. Oh, but there's one more. This one right here, probably my favorite. The purple with gold. Really, really nice. Reminds me of the Joker. Get all of them or get your favorite.